Yeah, it's April, and it's time for VEDA. VEDA, VEDA, VEDA.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Glenda, and you're back with another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. If you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you are updated every time we upload a new video. Now, on today's video, it's a little different. Okay, it's a little different. Let me wipe my sweat. It's a little different. I'm in the car, and we are on our way to HEB. So I'm gonna do like a little vlog, little car vlog. And y'all, listen. Excuse the scarf today. Okay, excuse the scarf today. And so I'm going to do a little vlog for y'all today. That is me going to do my pickup order at HEB. And so yeah, let's get going, okay? Because I got plenty to do, and I still got to come back home and cook.
Right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our own core. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Later, clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and roll, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby.
Y'all, it ain't nowhere for me to pull up at. That's how crowded this curbside is. There's nowhere for me to go. Wow. Look how crowded this curbside is, y'all. All of the spots are taken. I mean, every single last one of them are taken. I'm gonna pull up right here and just wait. So, as y'all saw, all the spots are taken. It is extremely crowded. And yeah, so we're just gonna wait until some spots open up, and then we're going to get in one of them. Be right back, y'all. So we are back from the grocery store, y'all. This is the first part of, well, this is the HEB grocery haul that I told you guys about earlier. We got two 16 packs of hot dog buns. Up under those hot dog buns, we have a 36 pack of eggs. We had run completely out of eggs, literally. So we had to grab some more eggs. Picked up some more cheese, Mexican cheese for our chili dogs. Over here, I got a head of iceberg lettuce for our tacos. Y'all know I really don't care for iceberg lettuce, but it was not as expensive, so we went ahead and went this route this time. Got some Smart Balance butter because I was completely out. Back here, we have 3 of the extra large crunchy taco shells, super stuffers. They had a little special going, so got 3 of those. And because we're hooked, thank you, Risa, we got some more grenadine. I have some in the pantry, or in the refrigerator actually. So we need to grab some more for some juices that we're going to be making, as well as some flour tortillas by White Wings. If y'all have a White Wings, if you guys have Walmart, Publix, HEB, who else? Kroger, they should all have this brand of flour tortillas. Give them a try. They taste more authentic to me. Okay, over here we have a bag of avocados that's going to go in the fridge until we're ready for them. We also picked up a few tomatoes. They look like they busted my bag, so let me tie that up. Over there we have some bread. We needed more bread, so we got 3 loaves of bread. And then I don't ever like to run out of rice, so y'all know I love jasmine rice. So this is the 5-pound bag of jasmine rice. We got a packet of guacamole mix, seasoning mix. We have some, but for what I need to use it for, we needed another one, so we got to grab one of those. Some Crystal Light lemonade and Crystal Light fruit punch. You see some sour cream over here, gonna be for our tacos. Needed some vegetable oil for a recipe that I'm gonna prepare, and some buttermilk for my mother's cake that I'm gonna make her for her birthday. I told y'all about earlier. The Cool Whip is also for that. We've got the General Tso's chicken. If you guys watched our, how many videos ago was that? We're into this VEDA, so I don't know how many videos ago was that, but we did like a frozen Chinese food video. And General Tso's chicken and sweet and sour chicken were the stars of that video. And we liked them. So I went ahead and picked up 2 bags of the sweet and sour chicken, and then 2 boxes of the General Tso's chicken from HEB. Then over here, I've got my beef fajitas. Y'all have seen this many times. 2 bags of this, 2 bags of the chicken, and then some foil pans for the cake. And I also needed some Glad wrap. Alright? So yeah, that's it, you guys, for this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the notification bell. And y'all, click that thumbs up button. We like to see the thumbs up button so that we can be recommended for other channels, for other people to watch us. So hit that like button and share the video. And we will see y'all on the next episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Holla, y'all.